In this video, I have to show you something. And it's already over a year since I last posted anything on this channel regarding NoLimits custom special tracks. So I thought I used this video to gather some feedback in the comments below if this concept is worth exploring and worth my time. As you might know, when going back to my videos, I am working on special tracks sometimes. And this is what I currently have. So the system is as follows. You have an entrance track and you have an exit track. And between the entrance and exit, there's some animation, some transformation happening. And in the end, the track, the train, will realign with the wireframe train, and the wireframe train is released and then goes on its journey. So that's the overall concept of this package. And I have now come up with the concept that allows someone to create that animation between the entrance and exit without needing any code. So we're in the editor, we have an entrance track, we have an exit track, nothing special there, just place it close to a track and it will snap to it. And I want to now animate this special track. And to do so, I select and place a user sequence board. Name is obviously work in progress. And I place it somewhere in the park close to the special track. All right, so top view, that's a little bit easier. This is our sequence board. And now we want to get an animation going. So we select a pre-defined animation, for example, vertical movement. So we take that, place it on the sequence board, click it and configure it. Here, very simple. It's still in the concept phase. We have a distance, which is in meters. Let's say we want to move up for 2 meters over a duration of 1 second. Then we jump back into the simulation and see what changed. As we see, the animation was read from that sequence board and it moved the track up, as we said, 2 meters over 1 second. After that, the train realigned with the wireframe and moved on. In the end, there was also a reset animation, which is ensuring that the special track, which is currently those 2 white stripes, is back at the start position. Let's extend this animation with more movements. So let's say 1 is not enough. Let's say we need 5 steps. So extend this to 5. And now let's say the first step is moving 2 meters up. Then copy paste this, move it to the second slot. Say the next step would be moving 1 meter down over the duration of, let's say, 0.5 seconds. Then why not going up again 1 meter over half a second? That will be a lot of forces. And yeah, let's say we go, where are we? We went up 2, down 1, up 1, so we're 2 up, okay. So let's say we then bring in another element and say we use a wait delay. Let's delay the entire animation for 2 seconds. And as a last step, let's take a horizontal rotation, place it here, and say we rotate 90 degrees over 2 seconds. I hope the timings work out, and see how this user sequence actually looks like. So that worked quite well. And as you see, the concept technically has no limitations. We could simply go in here and say we want 500 slots. And then we have a sequencer with 500 slots that we could, well, maybe there is a limit based on how big the map is. But yeah, so you can build an entire animation just with those sequence blocks, and they are translated into the animation of a special track. And in the end, it just comes down to building and providing those building blocks that someone could use to build a lift that later has a free drop and then rotates, or whatever the case may be. So the question then is this sequencer concept something I should investigate and put more time in? Because there are other special tracks that don't require any sequencers that I have built and will be able to be built with this project if it ever reaches release. As you might see here on the screen, and they don't need sequencers at all. So yeah, question to you, is that something worth investigating? Yeah, that's all I had to say in this video. If you speak German, check out my German version of the Coaster Talk channel, because there I actually upload more videos than, I don't know, once or twice a year. Alright, thanks for watching and letting me know in the comments. I'm Greeny, goodbye.